demon found its home on my shoulder. Now here we are, staring up at the stars, and I feel I can breathe again. 'Cause the world doesn't seem quite so bad when you're here and you're holding my hands. But I'm scared to look into your eyes in case I feel something. I don't wanna fall so long. Let the sirens ring. I am terrified to let somebody in. I don't wanna fall so long. No, I can't do it anymore. No.